koutou katoa. The poi that we're about to perform is called kiko and it is a double short poi. It is thought that originally the poi was used by men to improve the dexterity of their wrists for when they used the patu. This poi was originally in a more tier form, but in the early 1980s, a teacher from Queen Victoria Māori Girls College called Sunny Abraham changed it into the poi form. This poi speaks about the flights of different native birds and how they communicate with each other. Kia ora.